Hey, what's up? I'm Jamie and I'm a blogger, and today we're gonna open packages together. I just got these from Cheerios. How cool is that? Let's open up another package, shall we? Are you ready? Here we go. I feel like I told you guys I was getting a package and then I disappeared. So, this is from Clean Circle. All right, so let's go. It's also to my last name spelled wrong. Nice. I like that. Okay. Community Circle. Sustainably minded, culture forward skin and body care products. Let's go. Let's see what we got. They say thank you. They love these innovative eye masks during my self-care moments. Ooh, I think we're getting eye masks. Hold up. See what we got. Days Off Depuffing Eye Mask, Lights On Brightening Eye Mask. I say we do a depuffing and a brightening. We do one on each. Because I have two eyes, right? Seems like the move. All right. Let's see what they look like. I almost cut myself. Being safe, being careful. Hi, Courtney. How are you? Got this. Oh, I probably could have used it had a little thing. So wait, this one is brightening and this one is depuffing. So orange is bright. Salmony orange is not bright. Okay, okay. All right, hang on. See what I can do here. I don't really have a goal. The computer's like, pin your goal. I'm like, I'm good. I don't have a goal. Okay. So this is the mask. Clean Off Depuffing Dissolvable Eye Mask. 30 pairs. Hang on. Place eye mask under each eye and let sit for 15 minutes. Remove masks and gently pat remaining serum into skin for optimal absorption. After use, dissolve masks in hot water. Use as needed up to 7 times per week. Okay, let's go. We're doing one depuffing. Now this is depuffing, which I need. And this one's going to do Lights On Brightening, which I also need. I don't even have makeup on right now, so, let's go. I feel like it's last night makeup kind of thing. I think we're just going to do this. So this one is Lights On Brightening Mask. Oh, okay. Right, that's pretty. I'll tell you how it smells. Hang on, I'm pulling a bunch of them out. Ooh, it has a thing in it. It doesn't really have a smell, which is good because I'm literally going to put it on my eyes. Hang on. But what it did have is this thingy, which I guess is, yeah, because it's super goo. Hold up, I'll show you. And then you take this thing off. Look. Yeah, so we're going to do one of those. And I need you guys to keep up with, okay, left side is going to be brightening because it's lights. Left, lights. Right side is going to be depuffing. Oh, they're going to look different too. All right. So this side's going to be depuffing. Are we ready? This is the depuffer. Okay. It's a little too close to my eyeball. Hang on. Okay. All right. We're just going to, give that some time. And then this one is going to be the Lights On Brightening. I guess I should have used those little scoops, but I didn't. Okay. I did not read the directions, so I don't know if I did it right. We're going to find out in a second. That one's not even there. So that part's nice. Okay. Do I look fancy? I'm pretty impressed, actually. Okay. So then we just wait 15 minutes, I guess, and see if they make... This side is depuffing, and this side is brightening. I don't know. And then apparently these dissolve in water at the end, which, if I'm being honest, is all I care about. Is like, I want to see them dissolve with water. Don't you want to see them dissolve in water? I feel like I can already see where that one's like getting rid of like some of the stuff, but this doesn't feel like it's depuffed. Also, what happened there? How to get a chunk going? And am I wearing these right, or am I wearing them wrong? Like that, maybe? That feels like it's getting like a large portion of my eyeball. How's that? How am I doing? Hi, Saul. Nice to meet you. Yeah. And then they said you just rub the serum in around your face, like if there's extra. So I'm just learning about serum now. How long have I had these on for? Does anybody know? I feel like I could have looked that up first. I could have like looked at a clock. Hang on. Okay. Now I know what time it is. Oh, I don't want to get my hair in it. These are interesting. Do you think they work? A few hours later. I'm just kidding. I'm not really doing a few hours. You guys need to occupy me with like interesting things, right? What is this shop? I'm gonna pull them. You ready? All right. Depuffing. Are you ready? I mean, I'm not mad at that. And brightening. Is it? Actually, look. It's visibly brighter. Look. You can like see it. Hang on. It like changed the color. That one didn't though. But look. Like you can feel this one's puffier than this one. I mean, they kind of work. Wait, we have to see if they dissolve in water. Right. Hang on, I feel like that's just a lot of, like, we're just gonna put it right there. Okay, you're gonna keep watching this. Ready? It did say hot water. Let me switch to hot. I think hot is this way. So far, I just need to pee. Oh wait, we need to be able to see it. You gotta be able to, like, oh, hot must be the other way. And that definitely feels like it just went to cold. It's just like not dissolving them like it said it would. How hot is the water? It's pretty warm right now. I'm putting it lower because I want to like... Oh, this is getting really hot. But they aren't really like... I mean, here we are. Okay, wait. Starting to like disintegrate a little bit, actually. Yeah. You see it? Oh, it's still on. I mean, honestly, like, I'm gonna let it go down the drain, but it never disintegrated. Love you guys. Bye.